Welcome back to Cars for Life. In this video, I'm breaking down my top 3 5W30 full synthetic engine oils. I've sorted through all the options based on sales numbers, user ratings, the sheer volume of reviews, and of course my own personal experience to find the absolute best. We'll count down from number 3, and by the end, you'll know which oil I believe truly earns the top spot. Now, if you're the kind of person who wants real facts to protect your vehicle, not just slick marketing hype, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's honestly shocking that over 95% of you watching aren't subscribed. It costs you nothing, but it makes a massive difference for us and helps us keep creating content that your local dealer probably doesn't want you to see. Alright, let's get into it. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is the Valvoline Full Synthetic 5W30 Motor Oil. Specifically the Restore and Protect formula. This stuff is engineered to actively clean your engine while giving it top-tier protection against future damage. It uses something called Active Clean technology, which Valvoline claims can remove up to 100% of deposits with regular oil changes. At the same time, its Liquid Shield technology helps prevent new deposits from even forming. What really stands out is its claim of providing 79% stronger anti-wear protection than the industry standard. This minimizes friction between moving parts, which can lead to better fuel efficiency. Whether you're driving a brand new car or a high-mileage veteran, this oil is designed to protect engines of all ages. And for you tech specs people, it meets or exceeds all the important industry standards, including ILS ACGF 6A and APISP. It's a solid, reliable choice that earns its place on our list. Sliding into our number 2 spot is Royal Purple HMX. The HMX stands for high mileage, and this motor oil is specifically formulated for engines that have seen a few more miles. It's packed with robust zinc and phosphorus anti-wear additives and Royal Purple's own Synerlec technology. This combination works to minimize the effects of engine aging and helps restore some of that lost performance. One of the big problems with older engines is oil consumption from hardened seals. Royal Purple HMX is chemically enhanced to revitalize those seals, which can significantly reduce oil burn-off. It also contains strong detergents to clear out existing engine deposits and keep things clean, promoting a longer engine life. The Synerlec technology provides exceptional film strength, cutting down on friction to help you get peak performance. HMX also boasts outstanding oxidation resistance, allowing you to safely extend your oil change intervals. Plus, it has an ionic attraction to metal parts, meaning it clings to engine components to minimize that critical wear that happens during a cold start. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the number 1 spot on my list is the Liqui Moly Top Tech 4205 W30 Synthetic Motor Oil. This is a high-tech, low-friction motor oil based on advanced synthetic technology. It offers outstanding protection against wear, helps reduce both oil and fuel consumption, and ensures that the oil gets to every part of your engine incredibly fast. One of the most impressive things about Top Tech 4200 is the potential for extremely long oil change intervals. Depending on your car manufacturer's specs, you could go up to 30,000 or even 50,000 kilometers or 2 years for low-mileage drivers. It's perfect for modern gasoline and diesel engines that meet Euro 4, 5, and 6 emission standards, including those with FSI, common rail, and pump jet injection systems. It's also suitable for gas-powered vehicles and even cars with a diesel particulate filter, or DPF. The list of benefits is long: outstanding engine cleanliness, excellent wear resistance, high shear stability, and reliable lubrication. It helps your engine run smoother, stay stable as it ages, and maintain optimal oil pressure under all conditions. It also reduces emissions and provides instant lubrication right from a cold start. It's tested and proven for turbocharged engines and catalytic converters, making it a truly versatile and superior oil. For its incredible performance and advanced formulation, Liqui Moly Top Tech 4200 is my number 1 pick. So that wraps up my top 3 5W30 full synthetic engine oils. I really hope you found this review helpful. Remember, I've put links to all these products in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.